Hey guys, this is Aaron Melody from House of Haha. We're at our campground at the Rio Grande del Norte National Monument. We just spotted a bobcat. It's gonna be real quiet here. We're gonna see it come by. Just wait, it's gonna go over right near in this area here. Just hang on, hang on. I spotted it going by earlier when I was going to get water.
Oh.
Wait. See, there it is. That's a big bobcat. Look at the claws on the back. Careful, they spook easy. They spook easy. Such majestic animals.
Oh man.
Wow, alright. You never know what you're going to find when you go camping. Okay. It's Aaron Melody from House of Ha with the bobcat sighted in our campground at the Wild Rivers Recreation Area at the Rio Grande del Norte National Monument in northern New Mexico. Go buy some of our art and stuff at houseofhaha.com and check out our book and become a part of it at haveareasonableday.com. Bye.
Bye.